The latest fishing harbor we have right here in Ghana is the Jamestown Fishing Harbor. Welcome once again to the channel. You are watching Billy Snaps on YouTube. Kindly subscribe. If it's your first time on this channel, kindly do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon, and let's get you all, trending, latest update, traveling vlogging, real estate development, road videos, real life vlogging, and what you love to always see on the map wherever you are. Today, I had an advantage to just be in Jamestown to see the environment, just to walk through, and I just, had this wonderful edifice which I wanted to talk about. We're talking about the Jamestown Fishing Harbor. This is the town. If you heard about Jamestown, this is the whole community. Just look at it, very slummy, and you can see that there's no spacious, rooms that you even walk through. If in case you walk through a single lane, you may be lost. If you don't, go with someone who is very close to the environment and who knows more than you, you may get lost, and even you may enter into someone's bedroom. That was some of the adages that people used to say, that Jamestown is a slum area, and if you don't take care, you are going to enter in someone's room. This is the edifice I'm talking about. This is the Jamestown Fishing Harbor. In 2021, the government of Ghana just initiated that it's going to make sure that every factory will be associated and relocated to a place where it is duly meant for. And you know that Jamestown is one of the places that in our fishing, industry, they are doing marvelously well. Just close to it is the White House. This is one of the tourist places that every single soul who travels in this country goes to watch. The White House Chapel, the White House Tower. And just look at it. If you just have a drone shot in the evening, you could see that there's going to be a light on top of this tower. And it looks so beautiful and nice. This is the Jamestown town. And if you are watching, we're going to explore how they are constructing the Jamestown Fishing Harbor. And I tell you, if you've ever visited Jamestown, please drop a comment. Tell us how you felt about that place. Tell us, what you loved about that place. Tell us what you went through, and we are going to respond so that the world will know about Jamestown right away. And if you want to visit Jamestown, please call Mr. Tourism, Kaya Tours, and he will direct you to, tour in Ghana and over the world. Kaya Tours is the best experience for me to also travel alongside. Best thanks to my sponsors, Memories Enterprise, Power Foods, Yas Products. These are the wonderful sponsors, and I have Anointing One Shop, the best shop that you can ever find. When you go to Tudu, when you get to Tudu and you want to buy all your boutique stuff, all your clothes, the first class clothes, you get it at Anointing One Shop, just opposite the Stanbic Bank at Tudu. Yes, they are just adjacent to the Aflau station, Stanbic Bank Aflau station. That's the easiest location to get them. This is the fishing harbor I was talking about. Almost 90% done. They're left with some small touches, and then they can just commission this fishing harbor. And I want to give you the update and see how this is looking like. Just look at the sea. They've just felt part of it very close, where you can have a walking area over there, and they were trying to just make it so round so that they can have the landing boat over there. And as you can see, each and every sector is having a cold room. So when you come with a fish, you can come and freeze them here, and the government is going to provide all those cold rooms. Just allocate what you're doing there. Just let us know the size of cold room that you want, and you'll be provided with. So this is the Jamestown Fishing Harbor. One of the creative works that the government of Ghana has done so far, which is going to help the people in this community get some work to do. Some of them will be directors. Some of them will be consultants. People are going to come there to buy, and there are also going to be people selling over there. So it's going to create a lot of employment at those areas, because we all know those areas is very hard for you to go to school, because most students and kids love to swim and go for fishing. So schooling is a little bit down over there. But if you've gotten any education background and you are there, meaning that you've been a lucky person. So fishing has been one of the their priority of work. So this is the fishing harbor that you're seeing. They're done with all the layouts. Materials are on site. Yes, everything is well arranged. They've given the layout spaciously so that in case you are buying fish and you want to have an escort, you can do that. In Tebusian, said I'm fishing harbour now, buying an service. But go so we see. So far, I confirm say 90% of the fishing harbour no, you 90% of the fishing harbour you the view from the roadside to the fishing harbour and Wakra, it's just 2 minutes walk, then you are going to get there. So just look at all the sectors. So please, you can go there and register if you are fishing, and if you are selling fish. If you want to buy fish, please, when it's commissioned, you can go there. And we're going to give you subsequent updates. If they're going to commission it, we'll be right there to give you the update of the commission officially on this wonderful fishing harbour. I'm going to visit there again to see how they are doing their stuff. I wanted an interview, but it was very strict because they are very close to the Navy and was very straight. So we just needed to give you just this drone video for you to see how the whole place is looking like. Once again, my name is Billy. I'll leave you to enjoy the video to the fullest. Thanks for watching. Please, if you want to sponsor our program, we are so glad. We'll be so glad, and our doors are open. Call the number on your screen and let us talk right away. Thanks for our sponsors: Mami's Enterprise, Power Foods of East Lagos Executive Club, Yas Product of East Lagos Executive Club, and Mr. Lucky, Mr. Kwame Lucky. Thank you. We're talking about, the best place to buy all your clothes is Anoint One Shop. If you want the best place to buy your clothes, please go to Anoint One Shop. Anoint One Shop, the Otunton Kola and Penifo near my Bema and Ban Penifo boutique in Namabia. Boutiques now who are cry. I'm one Tarapapaniano. I'm before I want to shop. Maybe I will take the Kumas. Everybody, the whole Ghana, will be able to find your man. Say a classic origin there. Okofa One Shop. It's a wholesale retail shop located at Tudu, opposite the Aflao station or the Stomach Bank, right over here. Please contact the number on the screen and let's work together to build the better Ghana we want. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.